Sri Niwan Packaging Technology Company Limited is a technological innovation company focusing on the research, development, design, and manufacturing of aluminum containers. Its products can be used for daily necessities, cosmetics, medicines, food, tea. At present, it has provided packaging support for more than 5,000 companies at home and abroad. In terms of production, we have thousands of sets of aluminum can molds to ensure mass production. The aluminum plate is made of 99.6% pure aluminum and is completed through a variety of processes. The interior of the container uses food-grade epoxy resin, which is corrosion-resistant and non-toxic. The product has passed NTEK, SGS, and FDA testing and can directly contact food. In terms of R&D and design, we take customer needs as the starting point based on professional production experience with flexible and professional customized services to provide customers with complete